Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Sir, unsa man ang ECP or the Expanded Career Progression System for the Public School Teachers? Or simply, mauni ni siya ang bag-ong pamaagi sa pagpapromote sa usa ka magtutudlo na naa sa Department of Education. Karon, we will explain simply unsa ni siya all about. Daghan ni siyang mga frequently asked question but we will just answer few significant questions pertaining to ECP. Ang ECP makita at mabasa na siya sa DepEd Order 24 at DepEd Order 34 Series 2025. Who are covered sa ECP? Teachers who are regular permanent from kindergarten to senior high school, school principal, including ALS, madrasa, IP, special science teachers, and the special education teachers. Who are not covered? These are guidance counselor, school librarian, or institution na dili managed sa DepEd like Philippine Science High School, ISUSIS, or the National Academy for Sports, and of course, also teachers from BARM. Naiduha ka career line under sa ECP. Mao ni siya ang classroom teaching career line na nag-start from teacher 1 to teacher 7 sa una teacher 3 rani and master teacher 1 to 5 sa una master teacher 4 rataman. And ang school administration career line na naglangkob from principal 1 to principal 4. Now, question, kano sa mopili o career line si teacher? Mag-CT ba siya or mag-SA? Every teacher, ang reckoning point is mag-master teacher 1 gid siya. After master teacher 1, mupili si teacher kung mo straight siya pagka classroom teaching or pwede siya mo agi sa sunod na career line which is the school administration career line. Under the ECP, naagihapon ang quantum leap, meaning every teacher na pa-promote dili pwede mo lapaw og 3 salary grade ang iyang promotion. Based na siya sa Section 20 sa DO 24 Series 2025. Now, kung mag-principal ko sir, unsay pinaka-required yun para sa ECP? Well, kinahanglan ka, from master teacher, kinahanglan mo pass ka or passer ka sa NQuest or NASH or any DepEd accredited examination para school administration. And kano sa ang transition period taman sa ECP? Ang transition period is until February 24, 2028. Sir, kung head teacher, assistant school principal, needed pa ba na moagi sila pagka-MT before sila mahimong principal? No. Under ECP, pwede ra basta naa pa sila sa transition period na 3 years until 2028. Sir, kung master teacher, unsay qualification yun? Dapat ba full-fledged master? Based on the guidelines, yes. Dapat yun full-fledged master ang usa ka master teacher applicant. Sir, during the initial evaluation, sir, ang akong plus factor, muy satisfactory. Am I not eligible for reclassification? The answer is no, because plus factor is not part of the 37 core indicator para sa initial evaluation. I hope these questions makatabang na to about ECP. But if you want to learn more about ECP, just read DepEd Order 24 and DepEd Order 34 Series 2025. Naa dito tanan ang imuhang angay kakunon. So if you want to learn more videos about educational law, please follow, like, and share for more updates. And thank you so much for watching and God bless.